Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to compile and run Monero mining on a Raspberry Pi 5. I'm using the 4GB version, and I've got Debian 12 installed on it. I've prepared all the necessary commands for this process, and they'll be available on the website linked in the description below. First, we need to install all the required packages. Once that's done, we'll grab the miner source code from GitHub. After downloading, we'll create a build directory inside the XMRig folder. Then, we'll enter that directory and start the compilation process. This might take a little while, so be patient. Once the build is complete, we need to copy the config file into the build directory. You can generate your own config file using the wizard on XMRig.com. It makes things a lot easier. After copying the config file, it's time to run the miner. With everything set up, I'm seeing an average mining speed of about 285 hashes per second on the Raspberry Pi 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and project videos. See you in the next one.